Thank you. This is beautiful. Wow, look at that salad.
These cities like Berat, you can't even argue with the cost of living out here.
Cool, right? We went down a different way.
Yo, what up with it? So we're about to go take the family across Albania. We're getting in a cab. I'm gonna hop over to the rental car spot and we're headed to Berat. Yo, what up with it, guys? So we got the car. We're gonna go head out to Berat. I got some family in town, so we're showing them around Albania. We're gonna see if they're willing to come on camera. They're older, so we wanna get their perspective on what they think it would be like to retire out here. So if they're willing to do it, we'll try to get them on camera. I'll show you guys the car. So this was 40 euros a day, but that's including all insurance and liability. And it's not a bad deal. You get like 24 hours plus an hour for returning it before they charge you for another day. The tires, everything's real good. The car's pretty new. We got it over at the Enterprise over by the Lana River. So for those of you who are in Albania and are familiar, we had a pretty good experience so far, but we don't know what it's gonna be like, you know, using them. We got friends who can do rent-a-car services as well, but you know, my family's from the West, so they're very paranoid and they wanna use the corporate one. So I guess this will be an opportunity to let you guys know what we think of using Enterprise over here. But so far positive. No complaints. They seem pretty nice.
Hey guys, what's going on? So just want to talk about the price for the rent-a-car. So for the car with insurance, per day it was about 40 euros a day, and we're having the car for 5 days, and they gave us a pretty nice car. It's a Hyundai Accent, a lot of trunk space, a lot of leg room. I'm in the back here, heaps of leg room. It's got AC.
Alright, I'm 30 minutes to Berat. I got Aunt Renata visiting us from Bay Ridge in New York. She's wanted to drive around the Balkans, so we're going out to check out Berat. Hopefully you guys enjoy. We'll take you along for the journey, and we'll try to get her perspective for a first timer, what they think of Albania. So we're gonna hit a few different places. First off, Berat. Yo, what's up with it, guys? So we finally got to this Airbnb. It's pretty amazing. It's called Museum Guest House. Definitely gonna keep in touch with this guy because this place is awesome. Take a look. I'll try to show you guys around the property. For first, take a look at this view. So we're facing directly into the city center this way. You've got the other old town on that side, and then you've got the main old town, which we're actually like physically in. We had to park down at the art museum. It's that building down there on the right, and then kind of come up through these cobblestones, and the castle is back this way. All right, guys, so peep. This is our little chilling area. It's pretty dope. Gonna check out some little lanterns and whatnot. So this is our little view. This is like 50 bucks a night. I don't know, I think this leads back outside. Let's check this out. This is one of the bathrooms. I think we have two. Pretty cool. It's gonna be a little cold in there, but that's okay. And then let's take a look. This is all the unit. So this whole space. Hey, we're showing the place.
Hello.
So, yeah, no worries. You got a kitchen. Yo, what's up with it? So we are in Old Town in Berat. We're staying up here, parked over by the art museum. So we're gonna go see what we find. The guy said just go straight down this street and we'll find some grub. A place called Lily Restaurant. So I'm looking forward to checking that out. I like the Old Town. This is the first time we stayed in it. Last time we were on the other side of the river. Still, once again, man, beautiful place. And if you guys see that Airbnb, you can get an idea of what rental properties would be like. You can get space here for very, very, very cheap, like a lot cheaper than Tirana. Like you could probably have something pretty sweet here for like $200 to $300 a month. I don't know if you'd want to be up here in the Old Town, but there is a newer part of the city, and I'll try to show you that if we have a little bit of time on this trip, or just refer back to our last Berat video from when we were here the last time. So a lot of the spots in the Old Town aren't open until dinner, so we're gonna go down into the new town and see what's open. But as you guys can see, Berat's got some very cool streets. This is a great little city, but if you try to walk through here when it's raining, you will probably fucking die. Very, very cool, but this is definitely a little bit treacherous. Okay, so the strategy at this point is get some food and then take my aunt to the castle because she's never seen it before. I think this is her first time in an Old Town. She visited us when we were in Vietnam, so that was pretty cool, and when we were in Thailand, but this is the first time in the Balkans, so we'll see what she thinks. So this is like the new town portion of Berat we're going into to have lunch real quick. This is the place where everybody walks up and down every night.
Yeah, it's like a walking street.
There's good coffee over here and
gelato,
a couple
pizza.
good restaurants. What do you think, Renata?
Oh, awesome, beautiful.
You weren't expecting Albania to be this nice,
Oh,
huh?
Albania's beautiful, surrounded by huge mountains, friendly people, delicious cuisine. It's just amazing. I'm loving it.
Yeah, this is a good spot. So, you know, family, people with kids, people who work online.
Berat almost looks a little bit like a Positano with all the little houses and the cobblestone streets.
Yeah.
It's very, very beautiful, very quaint.
I will say, families, kids, online workers, anybody should visit Albania. There's a lot of good stuff going on here, good vibes. It's a nice place. These cities like Berat, you can't even argue with the cost of living out here. I mean, food's cheap, housing's ridiculously cheap. You could write a book, you could work on whatever you want to do. You'd have all the time in the world in a place like this. Whereas in Tirana, it's a little more buzzing, a little bit more like New York. For the Balkans, you know, this area is a little bit more where you would kind of come to just fall off the face of the earth. You know, look how peaceful it is, guys. Even compared to Tirana, like your quality of life here is going to be a lot slower. Apartments, housing, food, everything's going to be a little bit cheaper. You can get Wi-Fi that's as fast as in Tirana also. So you obviously, if you got the money and you can pay for it, then you can have fiber here. There's you know, it's not a horrible place to be based. I mean, the food is good and all the people in Berat are usually pretty nice. We're gonna go check out Zgara. We like to go to whenever we're in Berat. So once again, I'll shout out my buddy Zgara, and let's go see what he's got cooking today. All right, guys, so here we are, Zgara Zaloshnja. It's good to be back. All right, so we are back at Zgara Zaloshnja. We are with our favorite wait staff, our favorite team in Berat, the homie running the show. By the time you see this video, the other video will just be coming out from the last time I was here, like a month ago. We're so behind. But
no worries.
We're gonna get some grub going on. This is my favorite spot in Berat. As you guys can see, it's a cool little environment.
I'm gonna send this to you.
It's interesting, chilled out little layout.
How do you want me to send it? Oh wait, did it not
These
say
guys are just sending photos. So we're gonna head up to the castle, bro.
Yeah.
This should be a good hike. I'm looking forward to it.
It's the best like part that we have here in Berat, and it's also, I would say, that it's our identity as also like as Albanians, but also as citizens of Berat. So that's the best destination for every tourist that comes here and should visit it.
Ah, well, we liked it last time.
Yeah, like it's gorgeous, you know, like every view and every part of the castle. Itself, it's very like meaning to us and also to tourists. You know, it's the best place for to explore, and also I would say the best like strategy and the best like part we have here in Berat.
We loved it. We enjoyed the castle, man.
Except the castle, we have also like you know, the canyons, and you know, like the two ancient neighborhoods like Gorica and Magalem.
I stayed on Gorica the other time.
Yeah, it's like everything about Berat is good, you know. Also the people are kind. So yeah, like it's not just that I'm from Berat also, but I would like recommend it to everyone to come here. It's like a small town, good people, and also like kindness.
Yeah.
Polite people. So yeah, it's not that you know, busy as Tirana.
No, it's a better life. It's quieter.
Yeah, it's quiet.
A lot of people speak English. It's pretty easy to get around, and the old town is great, you know. And we love Zgara Zaloshnja. So if you're in town, come eat here.
Come eat here.
right, how's the food?
Unbelievable.
Really amazing.
All right. Is that your first burek? Your first time having a burek? What do you think of like one of the best foods in Albania? Yeah? All right, we got thumbs up.
Delicious.
Yeah, I'm pretty big fan of Zgara Zaloshnja in the house. Yes, sir. All right. Back to focusing on my burek. What do you think of when you think of Albania? I think of opportunity. I think of a country that's open. I think of a country that wants long-stay expats, that wants people to come and invest, wants new ideas, and is looking towards the West. I think that Albania is a beautiful country with incredible landscapes that can offer a very comfortable lifestyle at a very reasonable price. We will help navigate your journey to becoming an expat in Albania. We're working with some of the top lawyers. We can help establish businesses. We can help you get your residency. We can help you get real estate. We can arrange almost any contact that you might need for the process of moving here in almost any city in the country. We will simplify the process. We'll make it a lot easier for you to move to a country that maybe in the past would have been more of a challenge. With our help, it's going to be a walk in the park.
Brush your face and wash your teeth, son.
Hey, what's up? I'm D from Canada. Hook up with the New York Nomad if you want a smooth ride into Vietnam or any Southeast Asian countries.
Hey, my name is Aaron. Get in contact with the New York Nomads. If you want to get into Vietnam, hit them up. They'll get you in securely and professionally.
Yo, this is Uncle Hollywood. I'm telling you right now, the New York Nomad got me a job. He's legit. Hit him up. Check him out.
New York Nomad set me up in Vietnam.
Yo, my man got me a job. Come to Vietnam.
Hey, what's up, guys? You thinking about coming to Vietnam? You're not sure where to start. You've heard a lot of things online. You don't know what's true. You don't know what's not. We offer a consulting service where we help you get on your feet in Vietnam. We give you advice on negotiating contracts with employers. We help you with real estate agents, visa agents that are reliable and that you can trust. We help you get started in this amazing country and get on your feet. We help you get into different opportunities that might be more difficult for you if you were just landing in the country on your own. And we help you avoid a lot of the pitfalls and problems that you could have as a newcomer here. We provide you with reliable job recruiters, visa agents, real estate agents, and advice. If you guys are thinking about coming to Vietnam, hit us up for a consultation. We'll help you get started, help you get on your feet, and hopefully you'll love Vietnam as much as we do.